Hey, boys and girls, today is Friday. Can you guess what we're going to be learning about today? Yes, we're going to be doing some math and operations, okay? So, today we're going to be talking about adding objects. Remember, boys and girls, adding objects is taking two quantities of objects and bringing them together to make one, okay? Have you ever been in the kitchen with mom and mom is making a chocolate cake and she says, honey, can you please bring me 2 cups of sugar? So you pour in the sugar for her to the cake batter, and then a few minutes later she says, I need 1 more cup of sugar. Do you mind? So you say, sure. And you're going to bring her that 1 extra cup of sugar. How many cups did you have altogether? See, it's important to understand. It's 3, right? It's important to understand that quantities of objects can be brought together so you can be a better baker, better shopper in the grocery store, and better at a lot of things involving counting, okay? So we're about to get started. In my hands, I have some materials. So we're going to be counting the objects in these eggs, okay? And to prevent the objects from rolling all around, I'm also going to be using my marker to track how many objects we have inside each egg, okay? All right, let's go ahead and see how many is in the first egg. And we might also be using some of your names to help with the operation problems. Get ready. Good, okay, we have how many in the first one? Yes, 1 object. I already could think of a word problem with this one, but I have one planned out for you. And how many objects in the second one? Yes, did you say 3? Yes, we have 3. So let's think of a word problem to go with that. Mia had 1 penny. Jackson had 3 pennies. How many pennies did they have all together? Let's count them, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. Did you say 4, boys and girls? Good job. That answer is 4. Okay, I hope you remembered your markers in your paper to write down the responses with me, okay? You can always draw a picture and write it as a numeral. Very good. Let's move on to the next one, okay? How many do I have in here? I have 3. Maybe we could come up with a good word problem for this one. And in the second egg, I have 4. Okay? Let's see what we could come up with. Raul had 3 bunnies. Olivia had 4 bunnies. How many bunnies did they have all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? Yes. Good job, boys and girls. They had 7 all together. Let's go on to the next one. How many is in this one? We have 2. Let's see how many is in. I dropped that one. Let's go on to the next one. I'm glad we have lots of eggs. The next egg had what? Okay. All right. So this time, let's see what word problem we have. Javari had 2 pizzas. Okay. Anthony had one pizza. How many pizzas did they have all together? Fantastic job, boys and girls. If you said 3, great job. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. Okay. That one had 3 in there. Let's see the next one. The next one, they rolled around a little bit, but that is 5, okay? 3 and 5. Storm had 3 robots. Jose had 5 robots. How many robots did they have all together? Let's count those out. That's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Did you say 8? Fantastic. There are 8 robots. Okay? Let's go to the next one. Okay, this one has quite a few in there. I'm going to briefly show it to you in my hand. That is 7, okay? Now let's see how many is in the next one. Yes, the next egg had 2. Let's go ahead and count how many we have all together, okay? Aliana has 7 Barbies. Ava had 2 Barbies. How many did they have all together? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Fantastic job. And don't forget, boys and girls, you can draw it as a picture, write it as a numeral, or say it as a number sentence. We will use the last one at the bottom as a number sentence. 7 plus 2 equals 9 Barbies, okay? All right, boys and girls, who can tell me something that they learned today? Yes, we did learn about adding objects, okay? Super important in life. There'll be so many opportunities to add. You can add flowers in the garden, cups of sugar when baking with mom. You can add up pennies when it's time to pay for things in stores. There are so many opportunities to add up items. So you keep up the good work and you keep counting and adding objects throughout life, okay? And remember, every time you look in the mirror, boys and girls, you say, I am smart. You say it. I am special. And I am important. Keep up the good work, boys and girls. Bye-bye.